Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're having a look at the Sony HandyCam LED light. Now this is HVL-LE1. Now this light can run on various batteries and we'll have a look at that once we get it out of the box. As you can see there in that little picture, it does come with a few different accessories and we'll also have a look at those. Now as you can see there, it can be used with various cameras, ranging from the HandyCam type Sony cameras to the Alpha series, like my Alpha 6400. So it's quite a versatile little light. So let's actually get this out of the box so we see what we get inside. Okay, first up, as always, you seem to get a whole heap of literature with this light. So we'll put that aside. Okay, that appears to be our lights right there. Here we go. There's the first look. Battery release. Your mount, your brightness adjustment, and your on and off switch. Nice little Sony logo at the back. Let's open these up. A little bit of protective paper there, which is a good idea. There we go. Looks quite good. Now the neighbour's dogs are barking. There's always something going on when you're trying to film a video. And I'm not sure if you can hear all the wind in the background. Hopefully you won't, because it's really windy outside. Anyway, so there's our light. Let's see what else is in the box. There we go. There's some sort of mount that allows the light to be mounted on the camera. There we go. You've still got a thread there. That attaches to the light. As you can see there, it lines up nicely. There you go. There's one of the mounting methods for the light. Let's see what else you've got. Okay, there's another mount. Okay, so here you've got another mount with some sort of quick release, giving you a different mounting option for your light. I suppose it depends on what sort of fitting your camera has or what you want to attach the light to. So there you go. That's probably pretty good that they give you several mounting options with this light. Now let's see what else we've got in there. Okay, well that's the end of that. Here we are. There's a little bag, I believe, that you can use to store your light in. Nice little touch to come with the light, just to keep it safe inside your camera bag, I guess, and stop it from getting damaged. And here's some filter options that can be used, and that's, I believe, an alternative back plate. You can have that one to replace this for use with different batteries, I'm guessing. And here's your filter, which I believe just slides in there like that to give you a little bit of different lighting colour. Let's get some batteries and test out this light. To open the battery cover up, just press that little button there and it releases, and you can see you've got several battery options there. You've got a smaller HandyCam type battery, a bigger HandyCam type battery, which might be a good idea to get one of those batteries for longer life, but the light can also take 4 AA batteries, and that's the option that I've got at the moment. So we'll put these in. Okay, now that we've done that, we'll put the cover back on, keep it looking nice and neat, and let's hit the on button. There we go. There's adjustable brightness on the side there, and there's the off button. Let's face it towards the camera and see if that works. Well, the light will work, but see what the camera does. Okay, the camera sort of adjusts for the light, as we all know by now. There's the brightness adjustment, and there's the off, and the camera adjusts again. Seems to be pretty good. I quite like the idea of this light, and it will be hopefully coming in handy while I'm filming my videos. That's the only reason I get any of this stuff. It's to film videos for you guys. So there's an unboxing of the Sony LED light. Now if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the LED light, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.